Hello, good morning to all. Welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. So by the way, my name is Crisanto Canado. I'm a realtor, a father, and a family man. So today, nandito ako ngayon sa Filipino Homes Office. Kung gusto nating mag-reserve ng unit in Georgia Villa Subdivision, dito tayo pupunta sa Filipino Homes Office. Itutour ko rin kayo sa office natin and ano yung mga nang dito so that madi-discuss ko din sa inyo yung mga detalye ng mga units sa Georgia Villa Subdivision. And also, ipapakita ko rin later on ang mga dapat nating tandaang mga location para hindi tayo mawala when we go here. Alright? Alright, so ngayon ipapakilala ko kayo sa mga angels dito sa Filipino Homes Office natin. Baka magtaka kayo kung bakit nandito yung office ng Georgia Villa Subdivision. Filipino Homes, we have sets of developers na ini-endorse. So, isa na doon yung Georgia Villa Subdivision. And meron din kaming mga reservation from other developers that is going here in our office. So first is ipapakilala ko si Boss Lorny. Hello, Boss Lor. Si Boss Lorny, siya yung assistant ni Boss Saisa ng broker namin. Yung function ni Boss Lorny is for the office dito and mga other projects, especially mga brokerage projects namin dito sa Filipino Homes Iligan. Hello, Boss. Next is si Boss Juvie. Siya yung assign natin for the Georgia Villas. Siya yung support staff natin dito for Georgia Villas. So pag nag-reserve kayo ng unit, hanapin nyo lang si Boss Joby. Alright. Okay. So next, meron tayong isang support staff dito sa, bago lang din siya sa Georgia Villas, si Boss Mary Joy. Hello, Boss. Alright. So si Boss Mary Joy, isa din siya sa support staff dito sa exclusive for Georgia Villa Subdivision. Thank you, Boss. Ang Georgia Villa Subdivision, we are offering the solar homes. And solar homes is very new in Iligan City. Well, in fact, ang solar homes, this is first in the Philippines. So, wala pang ibang mga developers, subdivision developers na nag-o-offer ng solar homes. And we are first here in Iligan City to offer that through Georgia Villas subdivision. Kanina, while we were discussing with Boss Juvie regarding sa kind of solar setup ng Georgia Villa subdivision, yung setup natin is hybrid. So, yung hybrid setup, meron siyang connection with the ILPI, tapos meron siyang battery, at saka meron siyang solar panels. So again, yung free na solar panels na ino-offer nila is 3 kilowatt solar panels. And yung 3 kilowatt solar panels na yun, it can be used for your appliances na, like mga washing machine, mga aircon, your refrigerator, no, mga microwave. So pwede na siyang gamitin for that purpose. And kung gusto mo na mas malaking setup pa yung your solar home, meron akong table dito kung ano yung mga kilowatt solar setup na pwede nating ipa-install sa kanila. Yung free natin is 3 kilowatt solar setup. And estimated na pwede nating ma-save doon is from 3 to 5,000 pesos. Meron din tayong 5 kilowatt solar setup. Yung expected na magiging save natin doon is nasa mga 5,000 to 8,000 pesos. Meron din silang 8 kilowatt solar setup na makakasave tayo estimated savings of 8,000 to 10,000 pesos. And kung yung pinakamalaki na pwede nilang ma-offer is 10 kilowatt solar setup na pwede tayo makasave ng mga 10,000 to 14,000 monthly electricity bill. So kung titingnan natin guys, for example, if your electricity bill like for example 5,000 pesos, so pwede ka palang magpa-install ng 5 kilowatt solar setup. It would save you from 5,000 to 8,000 pesos per month. So kung titingnan natin, right, sobrang laking savings na ito for our homes. Isipin mo, makakasave ka ng 5,000 to 8,000 per month. A huge savings for us, di ba? Yung 5,000 pesos mo, di ba, ang dami nang mabili nun, pwede mo nang ibili yan ng 2 weeks worth of grocery, no? Or 1 week worth of grocery. So, di ba? So, instead na ibabayad mo siya sa electricity bill mo, gagawin mo na lang siyang savings for your monthly. So, aside from the free 3 kilowatt solar setup, yung mga battery, yung mga solar panels, at saka mga inverters na ginamit nila is meron din pala siyang warranty. Ano ba ang kagandahan ng higher warranties ng mga equipments natin? Ang isa niyan, if they offer a high warranty for their products, ibig sabihin, the company is confident that their product can withstand higher years para magamit yung equipment na yon. And ito, they have a 5-year warranty for the batteries. Actually, ang mga batteries can withstand to 10 to 15 years. But in this company, in Georgia Villa subdivision, they offer 5-year warranty for their batteries. And for the inverters, yung mga inverters, yun yung mga components at saka mga equipments na ginagamit to connect your solar panels to your appliances. So meron silang 10 years warranty for their inverters. And for their solar panels, they have 15 years warranty. So, di ba, sulit na sulit yung kuha natin ng unit dito sa Georgia Villa. Na-remember ko din pala, itong additional na solar setup, pwede mo siyang isali doon sa pag-ibig loan mo. No? So, for example, say 10 kilowatt solar setup, usually expenses mo dito is nasa mga almost 1,000,000 or 800,000. So pwede mo siyang i-add up for your pag-ibig financing kasi this is for pag-ibig financing and you will pay it for several years kasama na doon sa monthly mo sa unit mo. Alright? And if you have electric vehicle, pwede mo ding ma-charge yung electric vehicle mo using your 8 kilowatt solar setup. 'Di ba? Nasabi ko nga dati sa mga post ko is if you have solar homes, how much more kukuha ka din ng mga electric vehicles. Kasi 'di ba, if you want to help the environment, it's also a big help if yung vehicle na ginagamit mo is hindi na siya combustion na mga vehicles, no? We are talking about renewable energy. Much better na yung meron tayo mga electric vehicle at saka solar homes. Right? Regarding sa mga details, if you want a higher solar setup, I don't have yet the details of how much. If you are listening to this channel, this video, you can contact me here, comment down below, and also message me. I will also put my digits in the screens. Alright, so I hope we will advocate green living, mas malesser yung carbon footprints natin. No, because whether we like it or not, meron na talagang climate change. And climate change is killing our nature. killing our environment. And we should aware of that, because if we are not aware of those problems, baka too late na ang lahat before we make a move. So as of now that we have this opportunity na mayroong mga greenhouses, mga solar homes, take an opportunity to get these units. If you want to get a unit here in Georgia Villa subdivision, by the way, the location is in Purok Malindawag, Abono, Iligan City. And nag-usap kami kanina with Boss Jovi regarding Georgia Villa subdivision. Yung iba sinasabi is ang Abono daw is malayo. But actually, if you will find time to have a site visit with us, we will go there and let's see if malayo pa ba talaga yung project na yon. Kasi ako, ilang beses ko nang pabalik-balik doon, and ano lang siya, malapit lang siya sa Robinsons Mall. Like 10 to 10 to 13 minutes travel depending on the traffic. So that's all for today. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless.